Hello, I am E. Raja Reddy, designation Senior Lecturer, Branch Mechanical Engineering, Institute, Government Polytechnic, Hyderabad, Masab Tank, year first year, subject Workshop Technology, code number M105, major topic drilling, duration 40 minutes, subtopic twist drill nomenclature, teaching aids, photos and diagrams. Recap. In the last class, we have discussed about the following parallel shank twist drill. A. Short series. B. Stub series. C. Long series. A. Short series. Short series twist drill diameter ranges from 0.2 mm to 16 mm. B. Stub series twist drill diameter ranges from 0.5 mm to 40 mm. C. Long series twist drill diameter ranges from 1.5 mm to 26 mm. Taper shank twist drill fit into the internal taper of the drilling machine spindle. Core drill are made with either 3 or 4 flutes. Oil hole drills is one which has holes through the body of the drill from shank to the point. Center drill is a 2-fluted twist drill with straight shank. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to know twist drill nomenclature, twist drill nomenclature. You see, this is the twist drill. This is the tang, end portion is the tang, and end of the tang to the start of the neck position is the taper shank. Between the shank and length of the body, the portion is the neck. The body means that is the neck to the point. That length is the flute length or body and body. And the flute length, where the flute will be starting point of the flute to the end point, cutting point. That is the point. That is the flute length. The hollow portion is the valley-like portion is the flute. And this is the thickness of that flute corresponding to the axis is that is the land. That is the lips. It has 2 lips, 2 cutting lips are there. The lip angle is 118 degrees. The shank is taper, then it is called taper shank twist drill. The shank is straight, that is the straight shank twist drill. parallel shank twisted drill. Twisted drill nomenclature. Shank. It is the part of the drill which is held in machine spindle. Tang. Flattened end of a shank intended to fit into a slot in the drill holder. Neck. Reduced portion between body and shank. Twist drill. This is the twist drill, parallel shank twist drill. Twist drill nomenclature. You see, this is the chisel angle. The angle so chisel angle, and this is the lip angle. Lip angle, chisel angle. Chisel edge between the angle between the two corresponding chisel edges are the chisel angle. Lip angles, two lips. The angle between the two lips is the lip angle. Lip angle of the twisted drill is 118 degrees. The two lips will be where inserted, that is the point. Chisel edge. This is the web. The center portion is the web you see. And fluid space, where the chips goes through the way, that is the fluid space. The distribute having that in this one there is two flutes are there. Through the two flutes, the cutted portion will be travel up. This is the heel, and cutting lip or edge. Lip relief angle. This is the twisted drill nomenclature. Body clearance. Twisted drill nomenclature. Body, the fluted portion of a drill. Flutes, helical grooves formed in the body of drill. Web, the central portion of body which separates the flutes and runs through entire length of drill. Twisted drill nomenclature. Cutting lip or edge, the edge formed by intersection of flank and face. Land, the cylindrical ground surface on the leading edges of drill flutes. Body clearance, the diameter over the surface of the body which is shooted behind the land. Body clearance, the diameter over the surface of the body which is shooted behind the land, which is situated behind the land. Margin, narrow surface along the grooves which keeps the drill aligned. Heel, the edges formed by the intersection of flute surface and body clearance. Chisel angle, the included angle between the chisel edge and cutting lip. Lip relief angle, surface of the point that is relieved just back of the cutting edge. Helix angle, the angle between the drill axis and the leading edge of the land. Point angle, the angle found by the cutting edges at the point. Rake angle, the angle between the face and line parallel to the drill axis and is equal to helix angle at drill periphery. Summary. In this class, we have studied about following: twist drill nomenclature such as shank, tang, neck, body flutes, web, cutting lip or edge, land, point angle, rake angle. Quiz bit 1. The helical grooves which are used to permit the chips and lubricant during drilling are known as A. Flutes, B. Web, C. Land, D. Neck. The cut points will be comes out through a valley-like device, that is the flutes. Flutes are the correct answer. Bit A is the correct answer in this one. Quiz. The angle between the drill axis and the leading edge of the land is known as A. Chisel angle, B. Helix angle, C. Relief angle, D. Rake angle. The angle between the drill axis and leading edge of the land is the, you see which one is the correct? You see, expected questions. Question number 1. Define shank, tang and body of a twist drill. Question number 2. Draw the twist drill nomenclature and label the parts. Question number 3. Define chisel angle, point angle, helix angle.